Slugs are often considered pests in gardens, but they have an interesting secret hidden in their slimy trail, a natural adhesive that rivals superglue in strength. Slugs secrete this slimy substance, called mucus, to help them move smoothly over surfaces and to communicate with each other. But this mucus is not just a simple byproduct. It's a complex mixture of proteins and sugars that can adhere to almost any surface. The adhesive properties of slug mucus are a result of its unique chemical composition. The proteins in the mucus form strong bonds with the molecules in the surfaces it touches, while the sugars provide lubrication, allowing the slug to glide effortlessly. This slime is so strong that it can hold a 10-ton elephant for a brief period, albeit not long enough to cause any harm. In fact, slug mucus has been studied for its potential use in various industries, such as medicine, biotechnology, and even in the production of eco-friendly adhesives. In the medical field, slug mucus shows promise in wound healing. The proteins in the mucus can stimulate the growth of new tissue, potentially helping to speed up the healing process. In biotechnology, the adhesive properties of slug mucus could be used to create new methods for attaching cells and tissues during research and development. As for eco-friendly adhesives, slug mucus is a sustainable alternative to traditional adhesives, which often contain harmful chemicals. By harnessing the power of nature, we could create a more environmentally friendly solution for various applications, from packaging materials to medical devices. So, the next time you come across a slug in your garden, remember that this slimy creature is hiding a secret that could change the world. Its mucus, while often seen as a nuisance, could hold the key to a more sustainable future for many industries.